Welcome to M's Lusario channel. Good morning. Today is August 9.
Hi, this is Margaret Mix Vlogs from Hong Kong. Meet M's Lusario channel here in Hong Kong.
Hi, good morning. Wala na akong boses. Today is August
9.
Yan. August 9, 2005. Ay, 2025. Back to the future. Ayan, nandito pa kami at pagod na pagod pa rin.
Nagigising namin. Hello.
Hello world. Hello everyone. So,
Wala pang suklay, wala pang toothbrush.
we will have another adventure for today, which is we don't know yet. So, stay tuned for our adventure for this day. So, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. So, we were going to Victoria Peak, but first we need to meet our friends, the Borneo teams. So they have different kind of hotels. So they are in TST. We are in Sai Pun. Young Borneos went to the Disneyland, and the Thunders, the Borneo team Thunders, went to somewhere, Victoria Peak. Kaya wala si Patrick here in this video. He is in Disneyland with Kuya Roy's children. Ang aming navigator.
Hello.
Ay, so nandito na kami. Nandito na kami sa Central, and here we go.
We're going to find something. We're going to find something.
Something to eat?
Something.
Yung ate ko maganda.
Ayun o, sa likod mo.
Yan. Mata. Oh. Operoin mo? Para ako na...
Yan mo. Yan mo muna back view.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa Central. At pupunta kami ng Chapsuy. Parang Chapsuy.
Or
After that, pupunta kami ng Victoria Peak.
may photo bomber ka. We're gonna get out. Oh, okay, you hold this one first.
We just passed by the
Para ako nasa
Worldwide
Pilipinas.
House, and it seems
ako nasa
like I
Pilipinas
am
dito.
in the Philippines. Every seller are Filipino, goods are Filipinos as well,
Bili tayo.
and mostly all variety of
Banana Q!
almusal ng mga pagod at puyat.
Ito yung almusal namin eh.
Almusal. Banana Q. Oh, nasa na ang boses ko.
Bakit sila maaw?
Ewan ko nga eh.
Ay,
Hindi ko alam. Ay, nangyari?
Tumba.
Tumagilid. Pati ano, sumusuko na. Harap. Ikaw na. Banana Q.
Bukas na dali sa kayo.
Saan?
Tantang pit. Diyan sa baba.
Oo. Papuntang ano?
Victoria Peak.
Akala ko ba ako ngayon?
Ay, bukas pala. Mamaya.
Hindi ako kasama bukas.
Ay, ito pala. Dapat pala dito tayo nagpagpuno. Hindi kasi hatid ko yung mga gamit.
Oo nga pala.
Wala tayong dala.
Tama. Anong sasakyan natin ngayon?
Very.
Hey, sige. Peri kami ngayon. I like it. Hindi kasi siya nakaperi kahapon. Di ba tayo peri tayo?
Okay, pero may very dito.
Oh, mainit!
Hindi, may kubo.
Come on. Ang sunblock. Wala.
Diyan naman sa open air, may window din naman siya.
Oo. Ayoko na.
Doon!
Uy, sa mall. Ay! Oh, itapon nyo yan. Ay, naka-video pa pala. We are walking going to the ferry, and we saw some banana queue, and since we don't have a breakfast yet, we had one meal, first meal of the day, banana queue. We are going to meet Bornable team from the other hotel, which is they are in a TST. So from Central to TST, we were going to ride by ferry. So pinahirapan namin yung sarili namin. We usually, if you go to MRT, it's very quick to go there. But since for experience, we did it by ferry.
Sasakay kami ng ferry papuntang Chimsatsui. Kana? Lalabs! Chimsatsui ang pupuntahan natin? Yes, PST. PST? Pero sasakay ka ng ferry instead of train, MTR.
Kung nag-train tayo kanina pa tayo dumating.
Oo nga. Napakahirap lang. Pero for experience, yan ang sinasabi. For experience.
Gusto rin natin na pawis na pala tayo.
Ang kukulit din, ano?
Yan, doon mo tayo lalakad. Supposed to be okay dito eh.
Ayan. Here we go again. Hong Kong. So here we are at the ferry, going to from Central to Chimsatsui. So we were gonna be in a minute in Chimsatsui. Together with Lalabs Marga. So.
How about turning around? How about yan, sabi ko, sige na.
Hi, this is Margaret Mix Vlogs from Hong Kong. Meet Ems Lusavia channel here in Hong Kong.
Oh, ang ganda.
Di ba yung slide?
Oh, ang ganda.
Ayaw niya eh. So we are here at Chimsatsui, and hinahapo ako. Sandali lang.
Nag-ano kami, ba kami sa St.
Ay, ito yung Heritage.
St. John kayo.
Maganda rin dyan sa Heritage.
Nagsimba kami sa St. John.
Ano?
Nagsimba kami noon sa St. John. St. John na ba?
Canton Road.
St. Peter. Hindi ko alam kung St. John o St. Peter.
At
Ay, maganda dito lalang video.
oo nga.
Muna natin sila. Mamaya mahapon ako tayo dito.
Okay. Lakad-lakad lang.
Kalimutan ko yung
Alin?
Darna! Oh,
Woo! Ang bato!
sabi ni Tahong, Darna eh, sumigaw eh.
Rinig ako dyan na pag nagsasalita. Oh.
Ayan sa Darna
Hello,
oh.
Tahong! Hello! Ang
Ayan na.
bato, nandito. Woohoo! Oy, Lalabs S, Marites Award. Ayan. Sis May. Nakadere ka po. Parang sumasayaw yung ano natin, tension natin. Paano ba? Ayun na lang yung ano lang. Sarap yung di makita. Sila kayo, Royce.
This is around 12:20 and then we start our journey going to the walking along Chinsapchoy.
Naligaw na. Ayun, ayun.
TST na lang para mabitis.
Ayan, lumaki tuloy talaga ang ano butas. Ayan kasi, makulit.
Bumigat lalo kasi.
Wala, lakad kami, papunta kaming
Chinsapchoy
Station.
Train station.
Oh.
Train station. We'll go to MTR and then we will go to saan? Victoria Peak.
Oo, nasa na yon? Hindi ko na nakikita yung dalawa. Umakyat ba sila? Nasa sila? Kailangan ano, alis to.
We were going to MTR for experience again. We are all together. I think sa sobrang pagod namin, wala na nagbibideo. Sa sobrang pagod yesterday. Even myself, buti naisipan ko. Kahit yung mga naglalakad-lakad lang. Pero totally, nakakapagod kasi.
So here we are. Puso.
Diba? Sa ulo nyo na rin kung ano yung sinasabi ko.
We are here in the Central and we were going to Victoria Peak. We're just looking which bus is it. We will see where is going to the bus. Ito papuntang Stanley. Platform C. Okay. So we will see. Ito. Sabay-sabay na naghahanap. Sabay-sabay ang mga cornicle na naghahanap. So, papuntang express. Ay, nakapila. Uy, gusto natin. Daan to. Dito na lalabs? Okay, dapat pala lumusot na rin ako. Nanakbo pa talaga ako. Nagpakahirap. Mag-effort din kayo, no ba? Mag-shortcut kayo. Mga nag-shortcut sila. Ito sa kayan, puntang Peak. Lot E, 15x15. Ang view to. Oh, ayan. Yan lang ang makikita nyo doon. Yung mountain.
There are 3 ways going to Victoria Peak. One is bus where we ride on. The second one is the tram. And the third one is taxi. And the fourth one you can walk as well. That must be difficult because it's too hot to walk in this season. Today is August 9, so it's quite really hot in Hong Kong at this moment. At the back, that is the Sky Terrace of 428, where you can see the Peak Tower, which is really nice view there if you go. But at the same time, you have to pay for at least 100 Hong Kong
Ay,
dollar.
teka. Oo, ay, doon na sila. Oh, ang sarap, ang lamig. Oo, sandali. Adada pa ako eh. May isa pa, mas maganda dito. May bayad na yung ano.
We decided not to go to Sky Terrace 428 because we are satisfied with this kind of view. And I think this view was the same as upper 428. I think, because I never been there. I'm now on the way to airport. Time check, 7:53. Ang aga, no? Dapat pala pumunta pa ako ng Symphony of Lights. Instead, maaga sa airport. From Saigon to Central, I just went slowly. Then I ride to Hong Kong Express, the easiest way going to the airport. It's quite expensive, but then I rather paid with this rather than the bus, which
So
is
big.
cheaper. But it's
The airport
really
is
hard
so
to find.
big.
Just for me, okay? Because some people is used to it of taking bus. So it's depend upon the people. My experience was really beautiful actually because of the views. But then when I just pass to the supposed to be I'm going to drop off, that's the start of my what do you call that? Disaster or adventure, or you can name it what it is. I was just amazed how big and huge really the Hong Kong airport. Really huge. After you check in, you must need to walk going to your gate, going to the train station. Immigration and the plane are really quite separated. It's really far. Going back to experience and having a ferry is really nice. Taking bus and get lost is such adventure. Meeting my sister and my nephew in Hong Kong was really awesome. It's been a long time we haven't seen each other. Meeting in persons all the Borneable teams is really blessing. There are a lot of places that I haven't been here in Hong Kong, so I'm pretty sure I will be back. Such as M+, the one which has a gallery, plus K11 Museum. That's what I want to go as well. And Temple Street Market, Hong Kong Park, Stanley Beach. And I've never been to hop in a ding ding tram. Tao Fishing Village, that's what I want to go as well. Macau Tower, and eat in 360 rotating restaurant to see all the views of Hong Kong. So many things, just like Hong Kong Space Museum, Hong Kong Cultural Arts, Avenue Stars, K11 Museum Mall, Hong Kong Arts Museum, Clock Tower, TST to Central Perry. I did that. And what else? So many. Central Paris Wheel, which is closed. Central Meat Escalator, the longest escalator on the outside. Symphony of Lights, Hong Kong Sticker Street, Ocean Park, Ping 360, Lama Island, Hollywood Road, and so on. Touchdown, Japan, Narita Airport. Tadaima, Nihon. If you are a tourist here in Japan and forgot about your Wi-Fi or SIM card, or you haven't had any of this, it's just in front when you get out of the immigration.
Hi, thank you so much for watching, and I love you. God bless. Thank you so much for continuous watching. Mwah.